Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Jaspas, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Today we're going to be learning Oddstyle 2, which is the second move I actually came up with using the Oddstyle grip. Oddstyle 2 is a little bit different from Oddstyle 1 in that it doesn't aim to do an isolation. Instead, it aims to take advantage of this grip and uses it to great effect in a very smooth, comfortable card flourish. Get out your favorite deck of cards right now and let's get down to learning Oddstyle 2. To do Oddstyle 2, first begin by breaking into Oddstyle grip like in Oddstyle 1. Next, continue by rotating the middle packet like so. Instead of rotating all three packets like in Oddstyle 1, what you're going to do is using your middle finger and thumb, rotate only the middle packet and bring the bottom packet here on top of the middle packet, like so. Using your index finger, slide this packet all the way to the back. Once this packet passes the center of gravity, which is right here, let it rotate off your right hand middle finger into the gap between your right hand ring finger and pinky. This is what it looks like. Next, once it has arrived at this position, allow it to slide into your left hand like so. You want the packet to rotate off your right hand pinky and ring finger and rotate onto your left hand in a straddle grip like so. This part might be a little bit tricky, so take a moment to observe what's happening here. The packet slides onto the two fingers on the right hand and then rotates onto the left hand. Reach this position using your right hand ring finger and thumb. Hold on to the corner of this packet, like so. Now reposition your left hand thumb to the back of this packet. Using your left hand thumb, pivot this packet like so. One more time from a different angle, like so. Place this packet into the crotch of your thumb. Now, using these four fingers, what you're going to do is you're going to pull this packet down like this. This allows you to get the packet to go here. One more time. Packet goes here and here. Once again from the front this time. Using your ring finger and thumb, hold on to the corners of this packet and using your left hand thumb, rotate the packet into the crotch of the hand. While this is happening, using your fingertips over here, pull down this packet. While that is happening, using your left hand thumb, you're going to press down on this packet to get the packets to form a V shape. Once you've reached this V shape in your left hand, begin rotating this packet downwards and into the V. Your left hand thumb approaches the packet on the back of the packet like this, and using your left hand thumb and your right hand thumb, pivot this packet like so onto your left hand, the fleshy part of your left hand. While this is happening, this packet here that used to be in the V collapses onto this packet. To close, slide the packet forward like this and close it. While performing Oddstyle 2, one of the very important pointers I can give you to take away from this tutorial is to watch out for the tempo of the move. Watch how it happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. So it goes sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuzuk. Tuk tuk. One more time. I'll perform it slower this time. While we're here, I would be remiss if I don't drop a shout to my awesome patrons and friends, Theng Nguyen, Mark Ong, Royce Koo, Andreas Gar, Troy Howell, Sebastian Gopoxil, and all the other awesome patrons out there. Bam bam, love you guys. If you too want to support School of Cardistry and bring Cardistry tutorials to the rest of the world, please do check out our Patreon page. It's available in the description below. Until next time guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you guys soon.